Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and studying regularly. So in this class, 75th class, we are going to start off our class with biotechnology. GM, that is genetically modified. So with conventional breeding practices reached their saturation point, the gene's evolution seems to hold a lot of potential. Agriculture biotechnology or gene technology or genetic engineering may act as a second green revolution that can be used to create high yielding crop varieties that are herbicides tolerant, insect resistant to pathogens like virus, bacteria, and fungi, and have better nutritional value and other commercial properties. The crop plant produced by these techniques are called transgenic or genetically modified plants or genetically modified organisms. By using the technique of genetic engineering, it has been possible to genetically transform large number of agriculture and ornamental crops. Transgenic have been produced with the aims which I will be telling you. First, resistance to herbicide, crop resistance to insect and disease, atmospheric nitrogen fixation by cereal crops, tolerance to high salt soil and to flooding in crops, drought resistance in crop, improving nutritional quality of crops, prolonging shelf life of fruit and vegetables. Now if I give you some examples of this GMOs, so first can be BT cotton. Okay, so this BT cotton is produced by incorporating BT gene which encodes from BT toxin, okay, which is basically an insecticidal protein in Bacillus thuringiensis, okay, in the cotton plant. The plant become insect resistant and this gene has been incorporated in corn, potato, tomato, tobacco, etc. Okay, the second example can be golden rice. So this is also a transgenic with enhanced vitamin A content, producing nutritionally rich rice to many lives. Okay. Okay, so this was the examples, few example. Now we will study about the benefit of this GM benefits. So first we will study one by one. Let's first see benefit to crops. So for crops, first, enhanced taste and quality, reduced maturation time, increased nutrients yield and stress tolerance, improved resistance to disease, pest and herbicides. Second, animals. So in animals also there is increased resistance, productivity, hardness and feed efficiency, and also there is better yields of meat, egg and milk, improved animal health and diagnostic methods. Okay. Third, environment. So first is friendly bioherbicides and bioinsecticides, conservation of soil, water and energy, bioprocessing for forestry products, better natural waste management, more efficient processing, and that's it. Okay. Fourth, society. For society there is increased food security for the growing population. Now since this has benefit also, but there has been controversies also, since it is not natural, so basically it will have some impact on the environment also. Okay, it is basically a kind of steroids, you can say. So now we will talk about the controversies of GM. So first concern is safety. So the potential human there will be a potential human health impact, that is allergens, transfer of antibiotic resistant markers and many unknown effect. Okay, and there can be also potential environmental effect, that is unintended transfer of transgenes through cross pollination, unknown effect on other organism, example soil microbes, and loss of flora and fauna diversity. Okay. Second is excess and intellectual property. So there will be domination of the world food production by a few companies, increasing dependence on industrialized nation by developing country, and the third one is biopiracy, that is foreign exploitation of natural resources. Third, ethics. So first is that there is violation of natural organisms intrinsic value, tampering with nature by mixing genes among species, objections to transferring animal genes in plant and vice versa, and there is also stress for animal. Fourth is labeling. So this is not mandatory in some countries, for example United States, and mixing GM crops with non-GM crops confounds labeling attempts. Okay, and if I talk about the society, there will be new advances may be skewed to the interest of the rich countries who are able to buy this highly priced GM transgenes. Okay, so this is it for this biotechnology genetically modified. Now we will just cover up some small topic. So first we will cover up all the revolution in agriculture. Okay, so first we will do one by one. Green. So what is green related to? Related with, here there will be revolution, and here it will be related to what? So it will be it is related to food grain production. Second, golden is related to fruit production. Third, gray is related to fertilizers production. Fourth, blue means water, so fish. Fifth, pink, this is for prawn production. Sixth, round, potatoes are round, so potato production. Seventh, red, you know meat is red and tomato is also red, so related to meat and tomato production. Then silver is related to egg production, and the white is milk, so it's related to milk production. And the last one is yellow is related with oil seed production. Okay.